In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a resume in Canva for beginners. If you're new to Canva or just looking for an efficient way to create a standout resume, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get started with creating a professional resume in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to head over to Canva's website. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one. It's free and quick. Once you're logged in, you'll see the search bar at the top of your Canva homepage. Type the word resume into this search bar. With this simple step, you'll have access to a wide array of beautifully designed templates that Canva has to offer. These templates are crafted by professional designers and cater to various industries and job roles, so you'll definitely find something that suits your needs. Upon hitting enter, you're presented with a selection of templates. Feel free to scroll through the list. Each template covers different styles and formats. Think about the job you're applying for and select a template that resonates with that role and industry. You'll notice templates range from minimalist designs to more vibrant and creative ones, so pick one that aligns with your personal brand and the job role. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, click on it to get a closer look. This will bring you into the full preview mode, allowing you to see all the details of the design. When you're satisfied with your choice, you'll see a button labeled Customize this template. Click on that and it will open up the template for you to start editing. Now that you've got the template open, it's time to make it your own. You can click on any text box to enter your own details such as your name, contact information, work experience, education background, and any other sections relevant to your career. Canva makes it incredibly easy to use their editing tools. You can adjust the font, the size, and even the color of the text. Feel free to shift around different elements on the page to better fit your content or to highlight certain sections of your resume. As you edit, remember to keep your information clear and to the point. Recruiters often skim through resumes, so ensure the most important details are easy to find. Utilize the built-in alignment guides to keep your layout neat and professional. Once you're happy with your customized resume, it's time to download and save it. Canva offers an option to download your creation as a PDF, which is the most universally accepted format for submitting resumes. Just click the download button at the top right, choose your preferred file type, and you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully created a professional resume in Canva. Hopefully this video has made the process seamless and enjoyable for you. Happy job hunting!